Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add song or music on your Instagram story. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then you want to head to the top left corner and you want to click on the plus sign next to your story. Now let's select the piece of content we want to upload. We chose this picture, and now if you look at the top settings menu, you will have a small note icon. You want to click on the small note icon, and this is where you will be able to find a bunch of music, bunch of songs. There is different categorization over here. The first category over here is for you, so this is what is currently trending. The second option will be to simply browse through different genres: birthday songs, R&B songs, pop, hip hop, whatever. If you're looking for a particular song, you have to head to the top where you see the search bar and it says search music. You want to click on it and you want to input the title or the artist. When you finish finding the song, all you gotta do is to click add, and this will simply appear over here. Now, if you proceed with publishing, right, there isn't a chance to replace the song. I show you in other videos how if you add music to your regular Instagram post or on your Instagram story, the last step before publishing the story or the post, you will have additional option to replace or change the song. In Instagram story, you don't have this option. So essentially, you want to be very careful when you're picking up the song, because when you click next or when you click share, that's gonna be it, right? You're not able to edit or change it after publishing the story. If you did a mistake now, then you have to delete it and start all over again. And this is how you add music to your Instagram story. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.